Merhabalar, ben Sercan. Welcome back to your Turkish journey. Today, I'm going to teach you the verb demek and how we use it in direct speech. There are many other ways we use this verb, but they will be for another video. Demek as an infinitive verb means to say demek, and it is one of the verbs of communication in Turkish. First of all, let's conjugate it for all personal pronouns in the present continuous tense as well as in the known past tense, as you would hear or use these very often. The present continuous tense: ben diyorum, sen diyorsun, o diyor, biz diyoruz, siz diyorsunuz, onlar diyorlar, or onlar diyor. As you may already know, in the present continuous tense conjugation of this verb, the e in the verb stem de turns into e because of the vowel mutation rule. So, instead of diyorum, we say diyorum. You can find the details of this in the vowel mutation video. Now, the known past tense conjugation. Ben dedim, sen dedin, o dedi, biz dedik, siz dediniz, onlar dediler, or onlar dedi. The most common way to use this verb is when repeating a speech. When the speaker is giving the exact words spoken by himself or herself, or spoken by someone else in a different situation. Take a look at this. Let's assume that I said, ben evdeyim. Ben evdeyim. This means I am at home. Now, I'm going to say this sentence to someone else, repeating my speech. For this purpose, I'm going to use the verb demek. So, the infinitive verb demek will be the predicate of my new sentence. And I want to conjugate it in the known past tense. Since the subject is ben, I, there will be the person suffix accordingly. So, the predicate is dedim. Dedim. This means I said. With the verb demek, when repeating a speech, we use the exact words without any change. Yes, without any change. Very unusual, right, for Turkish? But this is how it is for this specific verb. And only for this verb. All other verbs of communication are used differently. Therefore, learn this well. So, the exact words of my speech will be placed before the predicate. What were the exact words? Ben evdeyim. Ben evdeyim. Now, let's form the sentence. Ben evdeyim dedim. Ben evdeyim dedim. And this means I said I am at home. As you see in the English translation, I wrote I am at home in quotation marks. This is a direct speech repeating the exact words. The same applies in Turkish. Repeated speech goes between quotation marks. I'm going to do the same for the following examples, so the English and Turkish sentences look more similar for better understanding. And it is definitely possible to write, I said that I was at home in a reported speech form. But I do not prefer the reported speech version in this particular video for better understanding. Additionally, the speaker may want to mention to whom he or she said something. In this case, the dative case suffix is used. Let's form the same sentence with this component, such as I said to Sercan, I am at home. Always remember, the direct speech is placed immediately before the predicate. Therefore, ben evdeyim will be placed immediately before dedim. Ben evdeyim dedim. To whom did I say this? To Sercan. Sercan will be placed before the direct speech with a dative case suffix. So, Sercan'a ben evdeyim dedim. Sercan'a ben evdeyim dedim. What you need to keep in mind is this. When you form a sentence using the verb demek to repeat a direct speech, the direct speech remains the same and it is placed immediately before the predicate. Another example. Direct speech. Ben gideceğim. Ben gideceğim. I will go. Now let's form this sentence. Hasan is saying, I will go. The predicate goes to the end. It will be in the present continuous tense for the third singular person. He, o in Turkish. So, the predicate is diyor. Diyor. Who is saying? Hasan. So, Hasan is the subject of the sentence and it is placed at the beginning. What is Hasan saying? Ben gideceğim. Ben gideceğim. And this is placed immediately before the predicate of the main sentence. And this is always the same, no matter how long the sentence is, or how many components it has, or even no matter where the predicate of that sentence is placed. Let's do it. Hasan, ben gideceğim diyor. Hasan, ben gideceğim diyor. Direct speech. Amcamlar bize geliyormuş. Amcamlar bize geliyormuş. I heard that my uncle and his family are coming to us. Let's form this sentence. Ayşe said to her father, I heard that my uncle and his family are coming to us. The predicate of the main sentence is placed at the end. Dedi. Dedi. Who said? Ayşe. Ayşe. And what did Ayşe say? Amcamlar bize geliyormuş. Amcamlar bize geliyormuş. And to whom did she say that? Babasına. Babasına. So, let's form the entire sentence. Ayşe babasına amcamlar bize geliyormuş dedi. Ayşe babasına amcamlar bize geliyormuş dedi. Direct speech. Buraya gel. Buraya gel. Come here. Let's form the sentence. The teacher said, come here. Öğretmen buraya gel dedi. Öğretmen buraya gel dedi. Direct speech. Bugün vaktim yok. Bugün vaktim yok. I do not have time today. Let's form this sentence. I'm telling you or I'm saying to you, I do not have time today. Sana bugün vaktim yok diyorum. Sana bugün vaktim yok diyorum. Alright guys, this is it from me for today. It looks like that this topic is really straightforward and I hope that you understood it well. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you in the next videos. Görüşmek üzere.